Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Sarah and I do makeup. For all my lovely little haters out there, thank you for my views. So yes, I did my eyebrows, of course. And then I went in with the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm just going to take one of the pale shades. I can't remember what it's called. But we are going to use that and use that as pretty much our entire base. Next I'm going in with this color, or this kind of tealish bluish color. And I am just putting that kind of on the outer corner of my eye, but I am going to be blending it in with the white that's kind of in the inner corner. Then I went in with the shimmery blue, and I'm just putting that over that teal color. And of course, my blending. Next I went in with the LimeLife by Alcone Perfect Eyeliner Pen. I actually did eyeliner on camera, oh my god. Next I went in with the Voluminous Carbon Black. This is by Loreal as well. Then I went in with the Master Prime by FaceStudio, and this is by Maybelline. Then went in with the Matte and Poreless by Maybelline as well, and this is the shade 105. I forgot to show what kind of shade it was. You know, for a drugstore makeup, this foundation is actually really good. Next, I went in with the WetnWild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. This is still my go-to for any contour that I do, but I am actually using just the white powder just to really set in my foundation. Then I took the Cosmic lashes in the style Not Your Sweetheart. I love these lashes. Then I went in with the Megaliner by WetnWild, and this is where the fun begins. This is where I start working on Cheshire Cat's mouth. At first I looked like I was from France with the little mustache. Oui, oui. Then I started working on the teeth. Oh my god, this was like the third time that I actually tried to do the teeth, and I'm usually really good at doing teeth, but I just could not get it today, or this day anyway. Can we just say the eyebrow game is slaying right now? Alright, and then I went in with the NYX liquid, I don't know how to say that, in the shade black, and that's just basically going to be coloring in the inside of the mouth. I actually use NYX liquid lipstick for a lot of face paint. I actually think it works very well. Next, I just took kind of like a little makeup wipe and kind of carved out a little bit longer of the teeth, just to give it that nice long sharpness look. Next, I took that same color that I used on my eyes, and I'm just kind of outlining the outside of the mouth with that color. Now, using that same color, I am tracing out Cheshire Cat's stripes on my forehead. I look so angry when I do that. Next, I'm going down to move down to my face and doing the same kind of stripes on my face. Then I went in with the BhCosmetics Blacklight highlighter, as always, and I don't remember what shade I used, but I didn't record it. Leave it to me. I think I used the blue one. Yeah, I think I did. Oh yeah. Alright, you guys, and this is the final product for this makeup. I did kind of up the contrast a little bit just to give it that really good oomph, but I loved how this turned out. I wasn't too happy with the teeth, but what can you do? But yes, I love this makeup so much, and if you guys really enjoyed it, go ahead and leave me a like down below or subscribe, comment, whatever you guys want to do. It really helps me out a lot, as well also helps you guys out a lot. And yeah. Stay tuned for my next video tomorrow as well. I will be uploading that as well. And that one is Poison Ivy.